Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use DaVinci Resolve's Magic Mask. First, navigate to the color page and locate the Magic Mask palette. This powerful feature uses advanced artificial intelligence to accurately identify and track people or specific objects within your video clips. It is a fantastic tool for making precise adjustments to only selected parts of your footage, greatly enhancing your creative control. Once on the color page, activate the Magic Mask by clicking its icon. You will then select either the person or object mode, depending on your subject. Use a short, confident stroke over the element you wish to isolate. With your subject defined, click the forward and backward tracking buttons. DaVinci Resolve will then meticulously analyze every frame, creating a precise mask that follows your chosen element throughout the entire duration of your clip. After the initial track, you will often need to refine your selection for perfect accuracy. Use the plus brush to add any parts of your subject that the mask might have missed. Conversely, the minus brush allows you to remove unwanted areas that were mistakenly included. For precise adjustments, always use short, deliberate strokes. Additionally, modify the feather and radius sliders to ensure your mask edges blend seamlessly or stand out sharply, depending on your specific creative needs. For truly challenging shots with intricate details or rapid motion, the clean plate feature is indispensable. First, select a frame where your subject is clearly visible, without any obstructions. Then, apply the clean plate to give the algorithm a strong reference point. Experiment with the decontaminate and pre-filter attributes to further enhance mask precision and smoothness. Remember, combining Magic Mask with serial nodes allows you to apply unique color grades or effects exclusively to your isolated subject, expanding your creative possibilities immensely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.